When nothing else worked, try a wire brush. So I started to clean it. Look, that really looks terrible. I got it all close up right so you can see it real good. But it's just really, you could not clean it with Clorox. No matter what you done, you could not get that scum off. It looked like it would come off when it was wet, but it's dry right back like that again. So I used that drill, and you can see when I was using the drill where it was kicking up dry stuff, it's just soap embedded into the aluminum, I guess. So I don't know if it's the grade of the sink or what it is. That shows you before I started. This video you're going to see now in just a few seconds is the one that where I was using my drill with the wire brush clean that. Here's where I got the drill with the wire brush in it, and I'm going to show you there how it really works. Here I come right there with the wire brush, and see all that soap scum right there? It's just like it's engraved into it in the pores of the metal, I guess. But look how it's kicking up the dust and stuff. I mean, that really fixes it too. So I just want to make a video and show y'all how you can clean up your sink, and your wife is going to be proud of you. I couldn't clean it with no kind of cleaner. After using the electric drill I had there with the wire brush in it for 2 or 3 minutes, and that's all it took. And it really turned out nice. You have to give it a try. It really works good. This is all you need, a drill and a brush.